Hi, I'm going to be making my guacamole today. I just felt like having some guacamole. But sometimes when I'm tired, I feel like taking a shortcut to my guacamole, and I'm going to do my shortcut today. Usually what I do for guacamole is I cut onions, red onions, I get coriander, fresh coriander, and I chop that up, and fresh lime juice, and tomatoes, and it tastes great. But sometimes I just don't feel like doing all that work, and so I'm kind of doing a little cheat today. And I'm going to use a couple of avocados here and make a good batch of it. I can always keep the remaining for tomorrow. Get that all in and give that a good mash up. You can make this as mashed or as lumpy. I like to leave a few big pieces in there, but it's up to you. Sometimes I'm just tired and I want a quick guacamole, and this is my usual guacamole that I turn to when I feel like a nice quick guacamole. So I'm using Picodegallo in my guacamole. And this is fresh Picodegallo. I just find that this has everything in it that I would usually put in my guacamole: the red onions, the lime juice, the tomatoes, all the things, the coriander, the fresh coriander. So I don't have to do any of the work, and I find fresh Picodegallo is relatively inexpensive, so I just buy that and I add it to my avocados, and I find it actually tastes better than chopping everything and doing it all myself. So it's really zesty, and I love this guacamole. I always make my guacamole now like this, way quicker. And you can check out my recipe for paleo keto delicious tortilla chips that I'm gonna have with this. They're baked, and you'll be hooked on those if you give them a try. So there you go, basically, and you can put a little pico on top for some garnish to make it look nice if you're having someone over and you want to serve that to them. And I'm going to enjoy with my my homemade chips. Give it a try. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.